everybody. I want to start by showing off two finished pieces. This one needs another coat of resin. You can see right here. And there's another spot right there. But it's so pretty. So I want to show that. And then this one is kind of that spring pour. I keep calling it that because it reminds me of spring. So that one is dry. And I love how it drips down the edges. I think that's really cool. So I'm going to do a plastic wrap pour using these colors today. Whoops. Let's see. There we go. I've got carmine red, phthalo blue, mid yellow, deep violet, and then my mica powder blue, which I've been tossing into everything lately because it's so pretty. And the deep violet has iridescent medium as well. And so I love just that little bit of shimmer in the pieces. This is an 8 by 8 inch wood panel by Arteza, which I'm just going to quickly cover here with my white paint, which is Dutch Boy house paint mixed with Floetrol and water. And I do have paint mixing playlists. And my other products, there's an Amazon list in the video description. So you can go there and see other products that I use. Just have one more corner to cover. All right. Get the sides all covered. And you do need to prime your wood pieces first. You can use, I could use my house paint, I could use gesso, but you do need to prime them first. Torch the bubbles out of here. In doing so, I notice I have little things. That one doesn't want to come out. There we go. And I am just going to do a straight across one. Figure if I put the red and the yellow near each other, maybe I'll get a hint of orange. Now for the blue. It's a really weird day outside. It started out nice and sunny, and then it got really dark. And it looks like it's going to rain. I'm just going to use that same dropper for the mica powder blue. So it's kind of a weird, creepy day out right now. I was going to take the dog on a walk, but I did not want to be caught in the rain. Kind of like that Pina Colada song. I don't want to be caught in the rain, though. Now for deep purple. I see some green forming from my blue and yellow. Now for the white. And this white does have silicone in it. I didn't put as much white on it as I usually do, so we'll see if that makes any difference. I don't think I'm going to blow the edges out just yet. I think I'm going to let the edges naturally do what they want and see what happens. Maybe. Yeah. I'll blow them out a little bit. Looks good. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.